There's a weird amount of friction in everyday life. Cables that never stay where you put them, drawers that don't fit anything, tools with no home. Individually, these are small, but together, these start to add up every single day. Most of us just accept it. We don't see these as problems, we call them normal. But what if we could fix all this with a single tool that fits on any desk? Earlier this year, I started a new job at 3D Printing Canada. I walked into my new office, messy cables, no organization for tools, cluttered space, and I realized I had a choice. I could fill the space with a bunch of generic, boring stuff I could buy online, or I could remove the friction and print one at a time. So I made a new rule for my space. If I can 3D print it, I will. So here's what I printed so far. A desk organizer for my tools, hooks for my bag and headphones, a laptop stand for better viewing angles. Fortunately, we have these existing filament shelves, but of course, these are 3D printed too. A bracket for my laptop power supply. Even the cable ties are printed out of flexible TPU. I also found this unique shelf system that attaches under your desk. Slowly, I began building out a workspace that works for me. Not just organized, but it was mine. And that's when I realized 3D printing isn't about viral gadgets. It's about the little things that shape your day. And it's not just your office. Once you start realizing the awesome applications for 3D printing, you'll realize everywhere else in your life it can help with. Those small annoyances in life pile up. They're not shopping problems for you to buy. They're design problems for you to solve. With a 3D printer, these turns problems into solutions you control. These are things that stores don't sell because they don't know your life. There's a global community of makers sharing their designs, improving them, remixing them. Someone creates a solution, someone else modifies it, you download it, and suddenly it's perfect for you. That's not copying, that's collaborating. Get this, even big brands are starting to catch on. Automotive manufacturers like Ford with their Maverick truck, computer companies like Framework, and even 3D printer manufacturers like Prusa are realizing the potential of sharing their designs to let consumers create and customize their own things. It gives us the power to repair, improve, and personalize the things we own. And that's not a gimmick, that's a mindset shift. And you might be wondering, in order to 3D print, I can't design anything. Well, the good news is you don't have to. When I started getting into 3D printing, most of my prints started as someone else's idea, freely shared online. And nowadays, there are tons of tools that let anyone customize without complex software. You don't even need a computer now. You can even send prints over your phone. At some point, you stop asking, where can I buy this? And instead ask, can I 3D print this? That shift changes everything. This isn't just about saving money or space. It's about independence. For most of our recent history, things were produced at scale, locked behind factories. It cost tons of money. Now you need an idea and a printer that fits on your desk. Suddenly, the playing field is level. That's why I believe every home should have a 3D printer. Not because everyone wants to start a business or do something trendy, because everyone has problems worth solving. Every once in a while, a new technology becomes so accessible, so useful that you couldn't imagine life without one. Even the smallest spaces have small problems that shape our day. We grow up believing the world is finished, that the things around us are set, permanent. But nothing you touch exists by accident. Every piece was designed, crafted as someone's solution. So printing this stuff for my office wasn't about saving money. It was about realizing I don't have to wait for solutions anymore. I can make them, I can share them. And once you experience that, it's hard to go back. So whether it's your office, your home, or small frustrations you deal with every day, 3D printing isn't the future. It's already here, and it belongs in every home. If you liked learning about how 3D printing can solve everyday problems, consider subscribing to our channel. Here at 3D Printing Canada, we're not just sharing ideas. We have the printers, the filaments, the tools, everything you need to get started. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.